Okay, so today is the first day of the second term of President Barack Hussein Obama. Took the dogs out to walk this morning on our lovely, quiet little street here in Montgomery, Ohio. Very nice neighborhood. And I noticed that somebody had left trash laying in our yard. And I thought, well, this is strange. I mean, people don't typically leave trash laying in our yard. But yet, I have a Zip Strips, the ultra removable bumper sticker trash hanging out in my yard, and my husband went ahead and picked up the other piece. So we were trying to figure out, where would somebody put a sticker like that, and why would they leave the trash behind? And then we were coming back from our walk, because on our way out for the walk, we saw this side of the sign. See, right over there where the trash was laying. And to our not so much of a surprise, we found where it was. See, here's the challenge. The bumper sticker says, Organizing for America, Ohio for Obama, oh.barackobama.com. Now, the facing signs it's illegal. It's juvenile. It shows a lack of self-respect, self-esteem, personal dignity, personal worth, integrity, and honor. And somehow, I don't know exactly how, individuals who would perpetrate such behavior, and I know it's not like beating somebody, I know it's not like standing at the polls in Pennsylvania in complete Black Panther gear, intimidating voters and like they did, or like was reported in Ohio. I get that. I understand that. But this is such a rampant thought process and mentality that we would break laws to further our cause. It just doesn't make sense to me. It's always best to work within the laws that govern you to produce the change. That's what the Republican Party did all those years ago when they were formed to end slavery. That's what they did. Now, the Democratic Party actually did the opposite. They worked outside of the laws, and they formed the KKK. But, what do I know? I voted for Romney.